You've tried diet after diet and nothing seems to work. Dr. Pamela Smith is a weight loss expert and she has a book out called Why You Can't Lose Weight. You have all the answers for us, right?
We hope so.
All right, we're going to take a look at some dieting myths. And here's the first one. The myth is a calorie is a calorie. If you eat less calories than you need, you'll lose weight. Sounds right to me, no?
We have to have enough calories to literally burn fat. In fact, it really takes fat to make fat burn.
So basically, that's not the case. So you should just be eating, what do you think?
You need to eat a balance between carbohydrates, fats, and proteins.
Okay, so the second myth we have is I'm very careful with what I eat. I don't need to exercise. I know that one's that's probably not true. Everyone probably should exercise, right?
Everyone should exercise, and personally, I hate it.
Yeah.
I really don't get the high that some people do from exercise. The good news is medical trials have shown that things like ballroom dancing or other kinds of dancing are great exercise.
So do something that's fun that necessarily doesn't feel like exercise. All right,
Absolutely.
our third myth is I'm always hungry. I just can't help that I eat too much. You can help it, right?
Well, your body does shrink a little bit as you intake less calories,
Okay.
but there's different nutrients that are helpful. For example, chromium. Chromium is a fabulous mineral, and if you take chromium every day, it does help with sugar cravings.
Was it like I take it in like a pill form?
In
or?
a pill form.
Oh, okay. Huh, might have to get that. All right. Our next myth is I don't sleep well at night, so I'm too tired to fit in any exercise during the day. With my schedule, this would be my excuse that I use.
I always exercise first thing in the morning because that way your day doesn't get away from you and you're not too tired. Sleeping right is really important when it comes to weight loss because if you don't sleep at least 6.5 hours in the evening, you can gain weight.
Oh, you can gain weight if you're not getting enough sleep?
You can.
Really? Oh, goodness. Another reason you need to sleep then, huh? All right, our next one is I drink whenever I'm thirsty, so I get enough water. Plus, I get plenty of water in my coffee, tea, soda, and juices. Not the case. I always heard, no, just drink water. Water, water, water.
There's no substitute for water itself.
Okay.
And the amount that most people need is approximately 1/2 your body weight of water in ounces every day.
So I'd have to do the math then, huh? All right, well, here's another one. My parents are heavy, so I'm destined to be heavy too. There's nothing I can do about my weight. I think a lot of people think this, you know, hey, I grew up, look at my family around me. They're about the same size, so that's the size that I should be.
Good news is that you're not stuck with your genetic history at all for anything, and that includes weight. We can now do genome testing where we can literally look at your genes and determine the best exercise program for you and the best program for eating.
Really? Where do you get a testing like that done? Like at a hospital or a doctor? Or?
You would see a metabolic medicine specialist.
Oh, really?
We are specialists that look at the cause of the problem and not just treat the symptoms. So literally, the right eating program is very helpful. And for some people, it's high fat. Some people, it's low fat.
All right, thank you so much. Some good expert advice there. And you can find a link to Dr. Smith's website on ours. Just go to the Good Day tab and then click on links. It's right there. Thanks so much.